Take a small quantity of a food item in which we want to perform this test. Wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Take care that the paper does not tear with food. Now straighten that paper and observe it carefully. Does it have an oily patch? Hold the paper against light. Are you able to see the light faintly through this patch? Yes. An oily patch on paper shows that the food item contains fat. If no oily patch shows up after this, the food item does not contain any fat. We tested food items for three nutrients so far: carbohydrates, proteins, and now fats. There are also other nutrients like vitamins and minerals that are present in different food items. The objective of this video was to know about fat test.